morning. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited Dyno Room. Got a 502 big block Chevy on the dyno stand today. This is a 502 rated at 600. Let me tell you, check this out. These things make a lot more than that. You're really getting a real bonus with these engines. We call them a 600 though just for rating purposes. Got all goodies in here, fully forged rotating assembly from Eagle, Edelbrock cylinder heads, custom ground hydraulic camshaft that we spec out, that Comp Cams grinds up for us. You got your choice really of a few different options on things like valve covers. This happens to have a special custom March kit. It's a semi-blackout kit. This happens to be a custom deal. We could probably, duplicate this in the future. Most of them, of course, are either plain aluminum or all black, but this customer wanted something special. This happens to be a 750 Holley combination with the air gap intake. Of course, an MSD billet distributor is featured in all our engines. Your choice is spark plug wires from Taylor. Got the black wires on here, the black paint block. Of course, Doug can paint you up a custom paint color, send him a paint code. He does an excellent job of painting up the engine blocks. It is a little bit of an upcharge, but check it out. We got a lot of photos all over the internet. Gorgeous, gorgeous engines. And not only do they look good, but they make fantastic torque and horsepower. So check us out on the website, customcraneengines.com by Proformance Unlimited. If you want to give Steve a call, 800-267-3940. Let us crank out a beautiful big block Chevrolet for you guys. Thanks a lot.
Oil pressure, RPM, air fuels, temperature, and that'll be
This will be the torque, and then it'll convert the torque to the horsepower.
And this will be where you watch for the horsepower.